If the audio is perfectly fine and if you feel like I'm screaming, I apologize for that because it's a natural thing. Like when there's a noise, it's windy, you naturally shout. It is super windy right now. The winds are just pushing me back. If mic is still working fine and there's no wind noise, I give full marks to Rode Wireless Go to Dead Cat system. We are doing a mic test, new Rode Wireless Go to mic test in really good windy day. So it's officially windy today. There was a stormy. It was a stormy 2 days ago, and it's the leftover winds. It's still moderate wind. They say moderate, but I can feel it. Like wind is, there's enough wind that can push you off the wheel. So when gust comes, I kind of shake up on my EUC. So it's a good test for Rode Wireless Go 2. I have a dead cat on, and they upgraded the dead cat as well. So now you have to screw lock the dead cat. That's really brilliant. That's one of the really important upgrade they did in a new Rode Wireless Go. Very welcomed, very appreciated by a lot of people. The dead cat issue was big issue. It will come off easily, and people were losing them. So this is nice, and I have a new Rode Wireless Go wire tied up nicely. This is less fiddly wire, so a little bit harder wire. It's good for action cameras. It's good for 360 cameras. Not gonna be like jumping around in the video like the previous first original Rode Wireless Go wire, which was kind of spring type wire, but this one is a straight hard wire and stiff wire, so it's nice. And I don't know how you can hear me. I'll only find out once I go home, edit this video. The winds are really high, so if it is eliminating wind noise and if you can hear me properly, wow, I just been slapped by a gust. So if you can hear me clearly and if there's no wind noise, means this mic is perfect. This mic has everything now that one can imagine and need. This mic has properly fitted dead cat on it, and two people can talk at the same time in the same video recording. And this mic has internal recordings on each unit, so even if my receiver and sender gets disconnected, there will be a backup recording on each microphone. Amazing microphone. This is one of the best things have yet happened in 2021, that Rode finally decided to listen to everyone, all those people who wanted these things in Rode Wireless Go. They listened to everyone and they finally put everything together. Wow, now me and Yasmin can go out on rides and can talk at the same time and record ourselves in the same video clip. Look how beautiful it is. Look, oh my god, loving it.